Guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm gonna show you how you can make money via Chippercash. So what you're supposed to be doing, download the application from Google Play Store or App Store. That's the application here. Okay. After that, you just need to tap into the application, put in a pin. Yeah, very simple. So the app will open up like this. Here on home. So what you're supposed to be doing, don't go on home here. It's very simple. You have to go here on this bar here down. There is an option of earn. That's where you're supposed to be clicking. When you click there, they will show you that here, invite a friend. They will send you 500 UGX when your friend verify the account and send 2500 UGX to another Chippercash account. Invite your friends in the US and earn 35,000 UGX when they send at least $30 to an African country. As simple as that. Then you tap here on invite a friend. Very simple here. Invite a friend. When you tap there, they will show you a link you're supposed to share to your friends. So when they sign up, you can get money. So when they sign up and verify, as they've said below, you get the money. Okay, another way of earning via Chippercash, you can come here on invest.
Guys, don't forget to subscribe and like this video.
Investment, you can invest in stocks. Here they're saying that you can buy your first stock with as little as $1, approximately to 3,670.77. So the most popular stocks, they are here: Microsoft Corporation, About Laboratories, Meta Platforms Inc., Glance Corporation, Apple. There are very many. So the four, they are all here. So after making your research, you may choose to invest in a stock here and leave it to accumulate the return. Yeah, so you may think about getting your savings from the bank and investing in a stock which you think is good. So they're showing you the percentages here, that let's say Meta Platforms, they have declined 2.11%. When you look at the performing companies which have 0.20%, 2%, this is called Chevron Corporation. This one here, see, it has a growth of 2.1%. This has 4%. You can see it clearly here, 4%, 4.68%. So you may choose deviating some of your savings to invest in such stocks here. Here down, they're showing you the categories: discover and invest in stocks in similar industries. As you can see, then you can choose your most popular: technology, utilities and capital goods, health care. So basically, if an investor, you wish to invest, you can come on Chippercash under stocks, then you invest money here. Another way, then you can scroll up here. If you don't want to invest in stocks, you can come here. Here, crypto. If you don't want to invest in stocks, you can come to crypto here, to the crypto area here. Okay, so when you go here, they're telling you, first read, this is a disclaimer that cryptocurrencies are always risky. Trading cryptocurrencies such as BTC is a highly speculative activity, and the markets for cryptocurrencies can be extremely volatile, which is very true. So to continue, just tap on I understand, continue. So currently, look at my portfolio balance, only UGX10. Though I don't normally hold money on Chippercash, it's just used for transactions. So here they're showing you the different cryptocurrencies all over here, and their percentages for the day. Or like, you see, as you can see here, they're showing you that BTC has declined 1.2%. Its price, they're talking about the price. Dogecoin, its price has reduced by 0.68%. Solana and other cryptocurrencies here. Okay, so those who know cryptocurrency, you can just put side of your money into the cryptocurrencies in this industry, so your money can grow, or you can do trading on a daily basis. So those are some of the ways you can earn money using Chippercash. Thank you for watching.